okay, my friend? Yes, I am, thank you for asking. Do you want some tea? Yes, please, that'll be great. Are you warm enough there? Yes, I am, it's so warm in here. Do you remember this blanket? Oh yes, I do, I bought that for you last year. Are you worried about tomorrow? Am I worried? No, I'm not. I know it'll be alright. Do you see him every now and then? Do I see him? Yes, I do. You know he's a busy boy, he really is. Is it raining out this morning? Is it summer over there now? Does it feel good to be alone sometimes? Does it look strange in the empty space? Were you tired, my friend? Yes, I was, but I'm okay now. Did you take that train? Yes, I did, it was on time. Were you sure about it? No, I wasn't. I hoped I was. Did you remember to tell her? No, I did not. I don't know why I didn't. Were you worried all day yesterday? Was I worried? Yes, I was, but I knew I didn't have to. Did you see them in New York City? Did I see them? Yes, I did. You know it's a big city, I got lost. Was it cold when you were there? Was it winter over there then? Did it feel good to be a tourist again? Did it seem strange in your hometown? Are you happy about it? Were you sad to hear it? Do you wanna talk maybe? Did you wanna see